Howdy folks, I'm MammaCass. Okay, stop. Okay. I've got to get used to this thing yet. Okay, so this is reverse crunches. So hands on floor, lower abs focus. You want to lift your hips up like this, just slightly off the floor, and curl knees to chest. Okay. 10 times. Okay. Love you. He's so cute. Baby. My baby. He's so darling. Okay, for my own sake, I'm going to do some additional things here now. First we'll do the bridges because they help my back so much. Push up with your hips and your bum. You want to pull your bum in, pull your pelvis in. You're working it with these bits here and your thighs, working those muscles to pull yourself up, stretch out your back, which really helps, makes my back feel so much better. I know you want some loving and I'm busy working out, how dare I? My handsome fella. He's so beautiful. I love you. He's gorgeous, isn't he? This is headphones. My baby, he's so gentle. And so gentle. And so loving. From side to side a little. Now my baby. I've got eyelashes on. You get confused about the eyelashes, don't you, baby? The cats keep ending up with my eyelashes on them, it's well funny. So much organising I need to do, but I think this workout was important because I've got to get back to it. do some clamshells to open these hips up. Get your feet as close to your butt as you can and fall down to the ground. Try and push them down and then up. Nice guy. Such a show off. Do you know you're on camera? I think it's sliding down up as far as possible to get it a nice stretch in the hip. I find when I'm tight like this, it helps to give it a little rock to try and spread them a bit further. Obviously, the more you do these things, the better it gets, the easier it gets, the more flexibility you get, and the more strength and stamina. But it is what it is. That's the tracking tripod stand, by the way. Do some leg kick ups as well, because that will help. 1, 2. Between my heads. There's a good boy here. Now we will go do windshield wipers. Sorry, Tom. And we're done. Do some donkey kicks. Kick, leg, and back and up. Kick, leg, kicks up. Keep knee bent 90. Squeeze glutes up.